Hey you guys, and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Charisse, and today we're going to make the easiest, the cheapest, the most delicious vegan cornbread recipe of your life. Oh my god, reminds me of Drag Race. Lip sync for your life. Okay, so before we get started, I did want to mention, as per usual, I do have a Patreon now, you guys, and that is linked below. Please go check it out. Please help support this channel. I literally could not, like, no joke. Like, I ain't just trying to suck your D. Like, I could not do what I do without your support. Make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share with your friends, and let's jump right in. The first thing we need is ye old Jiffy corn muffin mix. So this is the vegetarian one. The regular one has lard in it, so you want to make sure it's vegetarian. Now, the mix itself is vegan, but the directions they give you on the back is what makes it vegetarian. So we're just going to ignore those. And we're also going to ignore what it tells you to do to make it vegan, because it's stupid and it doesn't work as well. It's not as delicious. So, so we're just going to ignore the directions and just follow my way. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to actually come in here with a whisk. You see all those big chunks. We're going to break it up before we go any further. Okay, so in this smaller bowl, I have half of a cup of aquafaba. And if you've seen my show, channel, whatever this is before, you would know that aquafaba I like to use a lot for certain recipes. It is just the water from a can of chickpeas. So it's like free. Like, you're going to throw it away anyways. Just save it. Let's use it. Free egg replacer. Hi, how are you? So it's, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start whisking it up a little bit. I'm not going to whip it up like I would in some of my other recipes, like the marshmallows and stuff, to make like a meringue, like an egg white situation. But we do want to get those like proteins moving and a grooving for some bondage action. Oh, some bondage. Oh my God, you inappropriate. One of the other ingredients we're going to use is creamed corn. Now, girl, I hear you already. Creamed corn? What? That's not vegan. That has cream in it. Nope. Sure as fuck doesn't. So most creamed corn recipes will have cream, but the ones you buy in a can surprisingly use like the milk from the cob of the corn and some of the liquid from inside the corn that gives it its creaminess. So again, like I said, most cans of creamed corn. So you want to check your back, you want to check the ingredients list, and you also want to check, here's a good way to really know, is you look at cholesterol and it says 0. So like, you're good to go. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so we have our Jiffy mix, we have our creamed corn, and then we have our foamy aquafaba. So we're going to pour that in there. And then we're just going to come in and fold her together. Now, just like a lot of my like cake or muffin recipes, things like that, we just want it until it's just combined. If you just keep going and going, then that gluten is going to build up too much and it's going to be really stodgy, and we don't want a stodgy cornbread. We want like a moist, fluffy bitch. You know what I'm saying? And of course, I have a well-greased 13 by 9. We're going to pour a mixture in. I have my oven preheated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to bake this for about 20 minutes, give or take, just until she's done. So if you got to use the old toothpick trick, girl, you use the old toothpick trick. You guys, look at that fucking texture, sis. Are you kidding me? Oh, they smell so corny. Oh God, corny like Greg's jokes. No tea, no shade. Oh my God, I'm jumping all over my words. I'm so excited about the cornbread. So the creamed corn gives it an extra corniness that I'm like living for. Oh no. Oh my God. I took too big of a bite. Oh my God. Oh my God. You get like the cornmeal, like it's slightly grainy from the cornmeal, which you want for cornbread, but it's so like thick and moist. Like, it almost reminds me of like Boston Market's cornbread, which like my grandparents used to love. It's so like thick and just so moist. I'm like, because it's so moist, you guys. $1.50, like, oh my god, oh my god. I used to make cornbread like this pre-vegan. I didn't think it was possible because I literally thought cream corn wasn't vegan. Whoa, I'm so happy. I have a loaded cornbread recipe that I wanted to share, but I wasn't sure if this is going to work out. So if you want my loaded cornbread recipe, comment below and I will add that recipe on this channel. I use it for our chili, our vegan chili. Oh my god. Greg's mom gave us some like Pizzole, I think it's called, like a Rachel Ray Pizzole vegan recipe that she made, so I'm gonna put that on that. Oh my god, make this foreign recipe as per usual. Will be linked below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com. Subscribe, smash that like button. I love you all and I'll catch you next time.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love, listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.